Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, creamiest Hollandaise sauce. So starting ingredients are very simple. You need a whisk, you need some butter, you need egg yolks, you need about an inch worth of water in a pan or a pot. You're going to put the bowl over the top of it and use it as a double boiler. Glass or metal work, that's totally fine. I like to use nice butter, so this is some sort of fancy Whole Foods butter. The majority of the taste is butter, so that's what you want nice. Then you're going to have water, lemon, sugar, and the egg yolk. It's a half a teaspoon of sugar, and then a tablespoon of lemon juice and water. So to get started, we're going to put the eggs, 4 yolks, only the yolks, into the bowl. Probably should have cracked them right in so I didn't have to spatula them out, but hindsight is 20/20 here. Once you do that, you're going to throw that over the heat. You want it on fairly low, and then you're going to add in all the other ingredients. So throw those all in, and then we're going to start to whisk for right around 30 seconds just to get the process started. You're looking here for just the very beginning stages of it thickening up. If it starts to form little tiny curds, pull it off. That's totally fine. You'll see mine has that. Those will go away. But right about here, I like to pull it off. See, there's those little curds starting there. I'm going to actually turn the water heat down the tiniest little bit. Sorry I walk off camera. Trying some new angles here for you guys. But now let's incorporate the butter. Slowly start to mix in your butter. As you mix it in, you're going to start to see the little bit of the curds go away, and it's going to start to get very thick. That's what you're going for. At the end, we could adjust the thickness if it's too thick or too thin. But I'm going to show you this all in real time here. No editing. I just sped it up. Just add in that butter and just go. Whisk, whisk, whisk. You want to emulsify this all together. Don't add it all at once. But see, it's thickening up beautifully here. This is exactly what you're going for. And then at this point, I thought mine was a little bit too thick. So I add in 1 more tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix that all together, and you're done. It's that easy. At this point, all we need to do is add in a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to take this to the next level, and then you're ready to serve it on whatever you want. This is already, to me, delicious, so I don't need a ton of salt and pepper. There will also be salt and pepper on whatever I'm adding it to, so just add it to get it to the point where you're comfortable with it, and you're done. Throw this over fish, eggs. I like to put it over asparagus. That's it. It's very simple. Just showing you guys the basics of sauces here. Look how creamy and perfect that is. It's not broken. It's not separated. It's everything you want it to be. There's lots of other ways to cook it, so my way is not the only way, but I love this. It's easy.